Hello everyone, this is a review on the DB Tech electric steamer, as you can see right here. We're going to see how it works, we're going to see how you set it up, and some of the attachments that comes with it, and see if this is maybe the right steamer for you. So with that, let's start off with some of the basics. The first thing is, how does it actually work? Well, you've got a trigger, you've got a cord that you plug in, and then you fill it full of water. And so how you fill it full of water is you push down, you twist, and make sure you follow the directions in case if you're trying to fill it up hot, because you can obviously get scalded. You open it up, and then it comes with a small that, and then you put the water in, and it holds 175 milliliters. So you don't want to overfill it. And then, obviously, you just pour the water in. Now, I would recommend between uses that you go ahead and empty it, because you don't want to overfill your steamer. So whenever you're done, just go ahead and empty all the water out, and you're ready to go. So then you put it in, you push down, and it's got a child-proof type lock on it. So you want to push down, push all the way around to get it on. And now you're ready to go. And what we're going to do is we're going to plug it in and let it heat up for a couple minutes. And in the meantime, we'll see some of the attachments that come with it. Okay, right now I've got the unit plugged in and it's heating up. So let's see how it actually works. So on the front end, you've got a flexible hose that goes on. And it simply just twists once you get it on. So you put it on, twist, and it's sealed. And from that, you've got a flexible front. Now, right now I've got a nothing on it, but you've got a steamer unit that you can put on, which is like this. And again, it goes on the same way. Place it on and twist. Or you've got a attachment for windows right here with a nice smooth edge for cleaning. Or you can actually take this part of it off, like so, and place on a small rack. Again, more for scrubbing, so if you need to use steam and scrub a surface, this will work. It also comes with a grout cleaner and a small elbow. And again, the grout cleaner and the elbow go on the front of the regular steamer, just like that. So these are the attachments that come with the DB Tech electric steamer. Let's see it in action and see how it actually works. Okay, right now we're on the inside of my tub, and my daughter has used crayons to paint the bottom of the mat. So we've got the cleaner with the grout cleaner here in the front, and and while this is not easy to come off, it is helping get the crayon off. So just soap alone, it works a little bit. Just steam alone works okay. The combination of two seems to be a little bit more effective. So you can get a feel for how the steam works. Now, one thing that you do have to keep in mind is that you get kind of bursts of steam. Since the container is relatively small, you can only build up a certain amount of steam before it's full. So you'll see that you'll steam pretty well for 15 or 20 seconds. Then you'll need to let it sit for 30 seconds or so to let the reservoir steam build back up. So now, quite a bit. In a few minutes, there'll be less. Okay, what you're looking at now is the inside of a shower door. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the steamer, and then kind of squeegee to show you how it works now. You can't see very well, but there is a little line of soap scum that is across the top of the squeegee to show you how actually it works. And it does work pretty well. We've done this a couple times, and it does remove the soap scum pretty well. And it is easier than trying to scrub it all off. So again, it works in another task. Now there are other things that you can do in terms of cleaning the grout inside your shower. Now this right here is not actually grout, that's the sealant, but the different areas of your shower that does have grout, you can get in, clean it, either using the Grout Cleaner, which we use on the mat, or on the little elbow that also is an attachment. Okay, the shower door is dried. So right here is where we cleaned it and scrubbed it with the squeegee, and above that is a soap scum that exists prior. So you can see there's a pretty noticeable difference between the two. Now, we're going to go into the final verdict of the product and to see if this is maybe the right one for you. Okay, my final verdict on DB Tech electric steamer, I'm going to give it 4.5 stars. It's effective for what it does. It's a good value. I wish it had a little bit of a bigger reserve than the 175 milliliters that it does have. That would give you a little bit more steam time, and it would hold a little bit more water. Now, I really haven't had a problem with it running out of water, but again, you do find that if you're using it for an extended period, you do have to wait for some of the steam to accumulate. So that really is the only negative. For the most part, though, it works very effective, it's very good, and it's inexpensive. So it's a real nice combination for everything. Now, we've seen it in several applications. Obviously, there are more if you're looking at something for sanitizing, maybe cleaning your engine, cleaning things out in the garage. It has lots and lots of uses. So I just showed a few in the bathroom, just to kind of give you an overall feel. But from my stance, it's a nice value, and it's 4.5 stars.